guys, THESandslasher here, bringing you another episode of your brand new Pokemon Crystal Nuzlocke. Now, last time we did a few things. We got our Geodude. We got our encounter there over here in this route here, and we did the egg shit. You know the normal stuff. But yeah, that was fun times. But, with that said, I think we should just get a move on and get our ass over here, to be honest. I think that's what needs doing. Nice and Cherry Grove there. So in this episode, we're going to try and do a few things. We're going to make our way to the first proper city. And this is our first encounter for this route. So if you're hyped, leave a like button down below and let me know. I'm sorry if the video quality is kind of weird today. I think the lighting's kind of funny in here. I can't record in my normal place because reasons. I wouldn't worry about it too much. And I really hope we get a fire move soon on our starter. But that does look like he's going to live another one of those, which is lovely. And we're going to be able to get ourselves a lovely little pigeon. Which we couldn't get last episode because it ran away from us. No, it didn't run away. We killed it by accident. That's what happened. We killed it by accident. But that's fine. We've got one now. What are we going to call this thing? Let's see. Pidgey, the tiny bird Pokemon. Yes, I'm going to call you Bird. Bird is the word. So we're going to call you the word. I think that's a pretty good name. I'm going to call you the word, the Pidgey. That. Why not? Already got that berry there. So that's just. Oh, bloody hell, there's just encounters everywhere, isn't there? They just don't stop. Fucking Hoppip, too. No one wants to see a Hoppip. Who wants to see a Hoppip? Not me. I don't want to see a Hoppip. Do you want to see a Hoppip? I mean, Jumpluff's decent. Let's be honest, Jumpluff is actually decent. Jumpluff's decent. Because it's fast, and it's got that spore. So we're gonna... I just lost her. I'm trying to find more Pokemon. Wait, you look weak. Come on. Oh! Okay, so that's how it is it? Okay, I'm gonna school you right now, big boy. I'm gonna school you right now. Is that now Rattata? That's so cute. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. That's cute. I'm gonna just tackle you here. Okay, it's not quite a 2-hit KO. And I should probably heal up here, to be honest. I'm gonna leave Ace at the front of the party at least until we get a fire move, and then I'm gonna try and level up some of my other mons, like the Word and Dwayne. Pretty decent names so far, if I do say so myself. I mean, I think they're pretty decent names. I don't know. I mean, I think they're pretty decent. I think they're pretty decent names. I think we've got ourselves some good naming abilities. Do I need more Pokemon? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, you just... I'm going to say no, you can't have my phone number, but I think you're a Pokemon trainer, right? Then you have to battle. Okay. Those are the rules, I guess. If those are the rules, I mean, we got to abide by the rules, because they're the rules for a reason. The rules are the rules. Oh, you got a Pidgey. Are you the guy that beat him before? Oh, that's cute. But I think that's pretty cool. That he's just sticking by. He's sticking by his Rattata, even though he's losing with it, because he thinks that he can get stronger with that Rattata. And one day you will have a level 100 Raticate, and it will have Hyper Fang and Super Fang and Giga Impact and Thunder Wave and all of the nice stuff. No, I'm not going to swap. As I said, I'm going to train up Ace until we get a fire type attack, and then I'm just going to train some of the other mons. Oh, nice and crit there, dealing double damage, of course, because it's not Gen 6 yet, so it's more than just 50% extra damage. It's 100% extra damage there, which is pretty nice. It's pretty nice, to be honest. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty nice. Do I want to battle you? I'm not a trainer. Okay, but if you look one in the eyes, prepare to battle. Oh, foreshadowing. Now that is foreshadowing. That is total foreshadowing. That is exactly what you call foreshadowing. It's exactly what you call foreshadowing. So you're going to send out Caterpie there, which is fine by me. It's fine by me. Just tackle you. Tackle. I can tackle you. Get it? I just did. I'm probably going to be faster than you still. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. That is kind of nice. That is kind of nice. I'm not going to lie. Nice. Okay, so I got lots more experience. I'm going to use another Caterpie. No, I'm not going to swap out. As I said earlier, I'm going to get this thing leveled up until I get myself a fire type move, which is Ember, if I'm not mistaken. It's been so long since I played 2nd Gen, it might have a completely different name, but no, it's Ember, right? Come on, 33 experience, let's go. Almost level 10, almost level 10. Not bad, I'll take that. I will take that any day of the week. This music is so hyped though, it's so good. Oh, that's Mom. Just, Mom, hi. Hi, Mom. Yeah? Yeah? No. I can look after my money. I can do that. I'm sorted. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm covered. You know what? I'm just gonna beat this. I'm just gonna kill this thing, because why not? It takes about the same amount of time as it would to run away from it. So, what's it gonna be? Ooh, just kill this thing. There you go. Level 10. Ember yet? Do I get Ember? No, still nothing. Jesus, it takes so long. Let's get an encounter in here. I think this is outside of the cave. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say that this is outside of the cave. A Dunsparce! Well, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting like a Zubat or something. Is this like the rare encounter or something? That's pretty cool, that is. I'll take it. I'll take it. When do you see a Dunsparce in an LP? Rage. Okay. That is pretty cool, I'll take it. I will take that any day of the week. Oh, it's like rollout. Okay. Oh, that's kind of scary actually. Just gonna heal up there nice and quick. Rage. You're raging. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna try throwing a Pokeball at you. See how it goes. Ah, I got out. Come on. Yes! Got it straight in the ball. Straight in the ball. Good shit. Good shit. Oh, that's pretty cool, that is. Yeah, that is really cool. So, as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for long enough, I have a friend, well, a friend, sort of a friend, like an internet friend, called, whose name is DuncePassD. So I'm gonna name it after him. But what should I call it after him? I'm going to call it, I don't know his real name, to be honest, so I don't know what I would call it. I'm just going to call it DuncePassD, I guess. Or DunceD. Yeah, DunceD. There you go. Shout out to you, mate. Anyway, with that said, someone just got... Now, let's watch this. Cool, lovely, nice and potion here. Nice. So, yeah, let's just make our ways to the next city. This isn't a different route, is it? Dark Cave. No, we're on the same route. Okay, that's fine. Just the cat on the roof there. Okay, so let's just body this pigeon nice and quickly. You're not the word. My Pidgey's the word. You're just the bird. You're just the bird. You're just a bird. My Pidgey's the bird. So, you know, it's just lovely birds. Oh, nice some Pokemon battle here. Not bad. Oh, you got a bunch of Pokemon. Oh shit, I'm scared now. What have you got, like 2, 3? You got a full team? Have you got a full team? Have you got a full team of... Oh, you got 4 Pokemon. Wow, that's actually not bad. But they're all going to be Caterpies, aren't they? So, let's just... Oh, my bad. Yeah, let's swap out. Let's let Caterpie. Let's let Dwayne deal with this one. It'd be cool to have a Graveler nice and early in this game. Not bad. Nice and experienced there. Oh no, I'm not going to swap out yet. You know what? I'm just going to let Dwayne take this one. Ooh. Heal up here. Up to full. I did say I was going to let Oh shit, I just wasted the potion by accident. That's what happens when you use that's what happens when you use the speed up button too much, guys. Shouldn't have done that. Should not have done that. I shouldn't have done that. Cool. When I'm in the grass I find all kinds of berries. If you like, I'll share some. Get your phone number. No, I'm not going to share my phone number with anyone, except for maybe some ladies. If I find some ladies around, if there's a lady trainer somewhere. Oh, cool, a free Pokeball. I'll take that any day of the week. Oh, cool, got through all of that grass without a cinch. Without a cinch. But that was a smidget of a sminch. Let's just go and get healed up here. Pokemon fully healed. Hope to see you again, sadistic bitch. But, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so that's the gym there. Where's the mart? I want to find the mart. Oh, there you go. There's the mart. There is the mart. Welcome, how can I help you? Buy potions. Got to get lots of potions. About 4 potions. That'll do. And spend the rest on Pokeballs. Yep. Sounds good to me. Nah, that'll do. That'll do for now. Gonna do about 10 more minutes in here on this episode. Oh, cool. Nice trainer battle. We might be able to get another encounter in here. Hopefully it'll be a ghastly. That would be lovely, that would. I'd love it. I'd love to see a ghastly. That would definitely not be a ghastly encounter. It would be a lovely encounter. I wouldn't mind a Bellsprout, actually. Funnily enough, I would not mind a Bellsprout either. Bellsprouts are straight power. Is that enough? Fire move now, please? Ember? Please? Oh, sure, wait, I've got to beat this guy first. No, I'm not going to swap out. More experience. Ember, please? Ember? Ember, can I get me an Ember? Still nothing? Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's a shame, but it's fine, I guess. Nice and paralyzed heal here. Come on, let's beat you. Here we go. Rat. Cat on the roof again. Cat on the roof. That's fine. Jesus. There you go. Come on. Almost level 12. No, I'll not swap out. I'm gonna not swap out here. Okay, level 12. Yes! We've got it! Okay, we won the game. We won the game. Finally, it was about time too, Jesus. Okay, but that does mean that we can change up our party order, if I ever figure out how to do that. I guess at the PC. I'll do it later then. Cool, nice X accuracy, in case I get sand attacked. It'll be useful, I guess, if that happens to happen. Sway like winds, sway like leaves in the wind. Okay, so you're sending out a Bellsprout. Watch this, watch this, watch this Ember. Watch this man, watch this. Watch this. Oh, get one shot. Okay, so I'm going to swap out here. Who do I want to level up first? The Word? Sure, let's level up the Word. Lots of experience. Oh! Nice and level 4. Nice and level 4 there. I'm gonna not swap out actually. I'm gonna stay in here. after this battle, I'll end up the episode. I think. Oh, lovely sand attack. That is why you level up your Pidgey. I've got Smokescreen on Cyndaquil and sand attack on this thing now. Oh my god, this is going to be a disgusting team. You know what, I think this episode's long enough now. So, if you've enjoyed it, leave a like button down below. And with that said, I've been THESandslasher, and I'll see you soon.